Okay, hi Mika. You inspired me to show you my nail collection. So we're gonna start here. These are all toenails right here. So this is the biggest one, and this is what people always see me in the white ones. And then these are all different ones. Okay. So this is the set of nails that I currently have on. I actually like these. These are some of my favorites, but I'm gonna have to order them again because I did not cure these when I first put them on, so I messed up these too. Oh well. So these are some of the ones that I don't like. I wore these. I don't really like that shape, and I think that's what is called coffin shape. Same, similar to those. I don't like those. This is an almond shape, but I did not like the way the short almond shape looks on me. I like the long almond shape, as you see here, but not the short ones. I haven't worn these yet, so I don't know how those are gonna look. These are some of my favorite. You know I've worn these. I'm gonna have to order these again as well because I think I lost a couple of these. Now, I haven't worn these, but because they're the same shape as these, I'm guessing I'm not gonna like the way they look on my nails. On me, rather. These, you know these. I love these. These are some of my favorites. I've already reordered these because I lost a few of these. These are some of my go-tos. I wear these when, just regular everyday. So I have 2 packs of those like that. And of course, you've seen this before. I have this. This is just when I want to have fun. And I like to have fun often. This is my next another pair. These are very artistic. I like these as well. Now, I also just, and that's why these are outside. I just wore these and I really like these, but same way I did with these, I'm gonna have to reorder those because I didn't cure them before I wore them. And this is what happens when you don't cure your press-ons before you wear them. You see how they are peeling around the edges and stuff, and then they begin to do this. Yep, so I have to reorder those because I actually really like those. Like I actually really like these as well. But as you can see, if I zoom in, you can see where the tip is already starting to peel, and you can see it around the edges and stuff. And then if you look at these two, you can see where I was probably doing something and I scuffed them. And I should have cured them before. Now, I haven't worn these yet, but I actually had to repair one of these when they first came. And of course, you've seen these. I haven't worn these yet. I can't wait to wear those. These I'm gonna save for a special occasion. I'm guessing Dr. Angel's ball. I might wear these, or I might wear them before them. They could go really cute with some white. And then I have these, which I just got yesterday, and these, which I also just got yesterday, and these yesterday. Now, these are from my photo shoot, so you've seen those. And these are also from my photo shoot as well. These have pearls around them. So let me tell you about these. These are what started it all. These were delivered to my house by mistake. Yes, by mistake. And I tried them on and it was like, boom, I like them. And then I went out and bought these. And these are like my go-to when I want to look professional, but now I don't care, so I've just been doing these. Now, what I've been playing with is the type of glue. As you see, some of them, you can see the white residue around it. I've been working on the type of glue that I need for that. Also, my nail bed is different on each hand, so I have to play with my sizing. So I can't just order like large or medium. I actually have to order the packs that are got multiple, like 96 and 48 in them, so that I can play with the different sizes. So as you see, this is my entire collection as it stands right now, but you and I both know I have more on the way. So here we are. Bye.